Okay, we got that boy DJ Khaled. That boy done went new watch on them folks, man. They pull up Ferrari armored truck. You know what I'm saying? That's different, bro. To the back of the Maybach, the Virgin one. You know what I'm saying? Not the regular one. That's nasty, bro. Unboxing time. Look at the box, man. The box nice. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what he on. Okay, that boy done went AP on him. You know what I'm saying?
It's that titanium.
That titanium thing, bro.
It's that titanium.
He already got one on the wrist. You feel
Sebastian,
me?
do me a favor, tell Patty, call the barber, I need a haircut. Tell Ivan I need him right away. It's time to do a photo shoot.
You know what I'm saying? Gotta go photo shoot with the new cop. You feel me? Only right.
Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.
Yeah, blessings, man.
What a beautiful day.
You feel me?
The barber, I need a haircut after I'm done golfing.
Don't play with him, man. That boy go Cactus Jack on the Nike polo.
I call it
that
time
Royal
is precious.
You feel me? Time is precious for sure. That thing nasty, bro. We about to get the close up. Okay. With that sandblast dial. Oh man. 41 mm.
I'm out.
$200,000 watch. What y'all think? Is it worth it?